Hi, my name is Pattie Wexler. Welcome to the demonstration of the ATS cornerline turn station. And this particular one happens to push left. All of our machines seal with ultrasonic banding, which means that you have no heating elements to burn out, and it's good for clean rooms because there's no fumes. The speed of this particular machine, with this arch size, which is 390 by 180, is somewhere between like 27 to 30 bundles a minute. So here I'm showing you a bundle of 6. Here's 3. So obviously in 3s, you know, with a line speed of like say 90 a minute, you'd be able to get 30 bundles of 3. If you need greater speed, we have other systems that will have more banders in it. Each bander goes around 30 a minute. So if you needed higher speed, we would be able to accommodate it with another version of this. There are different configurations that are possible. It all depends on what your customers want you to do. There's different industries that we serve, and that would be the pharma industry. A lot of people in contract packaging that are doing work for over-the-counter for Targets and Walmarts, to name just 2. And on the retail level, paper banding has really proven to be a great benefit because you can really just tear the package and put it on the shelf. So you don't need any sharp objects. The retailers really love that because it takes the sharp objects out of the hands of their people. So there's no injuries. I think we can run it. In fact, I know we can run it. So this would work right off of the cartoning line. And as it goes into the infeed, you'll notice that it turns them up on their side, upends them. And then the pusher is the dimension of what you want your count to be. And the pusher then takes them at a 90-degree angle into the banding machine. You can also have other width materials. This one is 50 millimeter. You can have 30 millimeter. They're also available wider, but most companies are fine with the 50 and the 30 millimeter wide. If you need to print on the band for serialization and traceability, there is another version that can have a Markham or VideoJet thermal transfer printer. As a side note, I'd also like to mention why people choose banding. A lot of companies are shrink wrapping. They're doing chipboard inner packs, which might be, I don't know, 8 to 10 cents each. And they're also doing like full bullseyes. In regards to shrink wrapping, keep in mind that shrink wrapping requires shrink tunnels, which uses a lot of energy. We're happy to do some kind of a price comparison for you if you want, but you can see exactly how much energy you would save. The other thing, with banding, you get to use different types of material. You have brown paper, white paper, clear film. You get to choose different widths. So for instance, if you choose a 30 millimeter wide band, any of the materials that you select, you can use in 30 millimeter width. If you choose 50 millimeter, you have to stay with 50 millimeter. Thank you.